What's up guys, it's Kobe and welcome back to Gizmo. In today's video, we're gonna be checking out the Xiaomi Outdoor Mini Bluetooth speaker and find out how it performs. So let's quickly get started. If you like tech and gadget reviews, please take a moment to hit on that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time Gizmo Hub uploads a new video. So this is the Xiaomi Outdoor Bluetooth speaker, enhanced with bass and performance, priced at $20 on AliExpress. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check that out. So on the box is a Chinese writing, but it's already been translated to English. The speaker weighs 185 grams, it's IP55 waterproof and dustproof. It has a long-lasting battery life, which is 2000 mAh battery capacity. So now let's open the box and see the contents. In the box, we have the speaker itself. My first impression is that the build quality is top notch. It also looks like a Google Home Mini. Next in the box is a user manual, which has the info about the pairing process, and lastly, we have a USB Type-C cable here for charging. So that's all in the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. So the Xiaomi Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker Mini is an all-round speaker which can be used anywhere or anytime. It can be used for outdoor purposes like hiking, sporting, traveling on the beach as well. With its IP55 rating, you don't have to worry about water splashes. And in terms of design, the speaker has a minimalist look and also has a rounded design. It is covered with fabric material on the front, which looks good and gives the speaker a nice look and feel. At the back of the speaker, it's made of soft TPU material. Also at the top of the speaker, a string is attached, which can be used for attaching your speaker to your backpack, your bicycle, or strap it on your wrist or a hook. The string is stretchable, which is also good. Overall, the quality of this speaker is good at this price point. In terms of ports and buttons, the speaker has a USB Type-C port for charging, and at the back is a power button which serves as other functions such as answering or pausing incoming calls, playing or pausing music. Also, there is an LED indicator on the side of the speaker. In terms of connection, we have a Bluetooth 5.0 for good connectivity, and the wireless range is 10 meters in an open space. So now let's pair the speaker with the phone to test the sound. So once the device gets paired, you get a device prompt from the speaker. So this is how music sounds on your Xiaomi Outdoor Bluetooth Mini speaker. So the sound quality from this speaker is very loud and clear with a bit of bass in it. It also feels like I am playing music from a big speaker, and at this price, size, the features and sound output, I'm really impressed with the performance of this speaker. Another cool feature that I like about this compact speaker is that it supports truly wireless stereo interconnection function. This means it can interconnect two speakers from a wireless stereo speaker with the delivery of stereo effects on the left and right playbacks. And also with a 2000 mAh battery capacity, this compact speaker can deliver up to 10 hours of music playback, which is very impressive too. So overall, the Xiaomi Outdoor Bluetooth Mini speaker offers a good sound quality. It has a simple feature and the build quality is also on point. If you're looking for a compact speaker at a budget price for your outdoor activities, then I highly recommend you to check this out. At this price point, I think the speaker is a good value for money, and as usual, if you want to buy one of them, please check the link down in the description below. So that's it guys for the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Outdoor Bluetooth Mini speaker. Let me know down in the comment section what you like about this speaker, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Once again, it's Kobe signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.